Hey, hey. Welcome everybody to Miss Glow's Kitchen, where there's sugar, spice, and everything nice, where we slice, dice, and entice, using everything we can, from peppers to allspice. What's up, my people? Y'all know what time it is? See y'all in the kitchen. Spicy orange chicken wings are on the menu today. We're going to season the flour. So you put your flour in the freezer bag. You want to sprinkle a little bit of seasoned salt in there. You can use all the seasonings if you want to. Then you're going to coat your chicken wings with the seasoning. So you're going to put the seasoned salt, the garlic powder, the onion powder. You don't need anything else. And the only reason why is because we're getting an orange sauce on the outside of this. So you don't need to season it very heavily, but you do want to season it. Remember, with all dishes, season it every step of the way. Now you want to fry them 8 to 10 minutes. After 8 to 10 minutes, they should be done. Break one open, make sure, and we good to go. Wings off to the side, and we'll make the sauce. Alright, so we're going to get started. I'm putting a cup of orange juice into a pot. But before that, if you haven't hit that like or that subscribe button, please do so now. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, hit that bell for notifications so you'll be one of the first ones to know when I put a new video up. Share, and leave a comment. Alright, so we're going to put 1 cup of orange juice into a pot. Alright, and after that, we're going to put 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Now, after we put 1 tablespoon of veggie oil, we're going to put in 4 teaspoons of minced garlic, or you can use 4 cloves if you have fresh garlic. But if you don't, then alright, minced garlic out of the jar is going to work. It worked for me just fine in the recipe. Alright, so you got that liquid in there. You do want to drain it. You want only the minced garlic in there. So do not put the liquid out of the jar in there. Okay? Alright, so we're going to get that put in. Now we're going to the marmalade now. Now, if there is a substitution for marmalade, I have no idea. So we're going to use orange marmalade in here. If you find orange jelly or something like that, I imagine you could use that. All right. We're going to put 3 heaping tablespoons of orange marmalade. So 3 tablespoons. See, marmalade's kind of thick. Yeah, so let's give it a really strong, nice orange flavor. Yep, all right, get it all in there. All right, so now we're going to go to the rice vinegar, 3/4 of a cup of rice vinegar. If you don't have rice vinegar and you can't find it, you can use white vinegar in its place. It will work. But preferably use rice vinegar if you can. All right, so brown sugar. All right, 1/2 cup of brown sugar. 1/4 cup if you don't want it so sweet. 1/4 cup. So make sure you pack it, push it down a little bit, we're good to go. All right, in goes 2½ tablespoons of cornstarch. And this is our thickening agent. So this is going to get it to the thickness that we need so that it sticks to our chicken without soaking it in and making the skin soggy. All right, so we're going to give it a little whisk here. A little whisk, stir if you got a spoon, whatever you have. All right, so we're going to work on the ginger now. Fresh ginger. 2 tablespoons of minced ginger. I'm going to tell you right here that you can use dry ginger powder if you want to, but I do recommend that you use fresh ginger if you can. So you can see I'm taking the side or the spoon and I am scraping the skin off. So it's the best way to get that skin off fresh ginger. And then we're just going to chop it up here. So we're going to slice it and then we're going to chop it up very fine. So the next minute or so, that's what I'm showing you. And this smells so good too. Ginger's got a lot of good uses. So do learn how to peel that fresh ginger if you can. All right, so you can see I'm going to give it a chop right here, but we want to get it to a mince. So chopping is good, but as you can see, I'm going to go back through with this knife until I get it minced. If you have a food processor, by all means, use that sucker if you got it. Yes. All right, so you can see right there, I got it good and minced. So we're going to put in 2 tablespoons of this ginger. Heaping tablespoons, not just 2 tablespoons, 2 heaping tablespoons. I put a little extra in there, so give a nice little flavor there. All right, so I'm going to get it on the stove and get it on high heat. You see, I've got it on a high heat right there so that we can bring it to a boil. I'm going to bring it to a strong boil too, so. All right, so in goes that 1/4 cup of chicken stock or sherry. If you got sherry, cooking wine, use that, or you got a sherry. But here, we're going to use chicken stock. All right, so you can see we're getting a little thickness here. It's sort of like, it's an orange sauce, but it's more like a glaze than anything. But you need that little thickness there. You don't want it to be too thin because, like I said, then it'll make the coating on the outside of your chicken soggy. I don't personally like soggy coated chicken wings. Even my hot wings, I eat them right away. I have to. All right, so we're going to shake this up on here. We want to get every wing evenly coated. But as you can see in the title, these are spicy orange chicken wings. So you're going to ask me, where's the spice? It's coming up. Watch. All right, so I'm going to get these coated well. So they were super crispy. I fried them extra hard. So I did forget to say that early on in the video. I fried them like super hard. Because I need that crunchiness. Okay, we got it. We want to, look at that. Oh my goodness. Give it a little shake again, and this smells absolutely wonderful. All right, so I'm going to use some 2 times spicy hot sauce. If you have a regular hot sauce or a preference for a hot sauce for your chicken, that's the one you can put in here. But I am using a 2 times spicy hot sauce, so get an extra little spice there. You don't want to put too much because you want to enjoy the chicken, but you don't want to burn your palate. So 5 to 6, 7 or 8 drops for me. But look at that. Isn't that beautiful? That is done. Hey, y'all know what I'm going to say. Look at it close up. Y'all better go make this. This is spicy orange chicken wings. All right? Thanks for watching, everybody. See y'all next time. For more great recipes, tips, and ideas, check out some of my other videos.